I'm going to tell you about the product that I've wanted to tell you about since January. You tell me first what your newbie is.
Okay, so my newbie is new to me, and I do think it's relatively new-ish to the Australian market, but we'll go with it's new to me. How many times have we been talking about frizzy hair, humidity, smoothing, all of these things? We have been banging on about it for months because it's been so wet and just humid, and we all need some help with our hair.
Huge news, hot off the U Beauty press, a cult favorite makeup staple, the Bioterry Brightening CC Serum, has officially relaunched, and it is what glowy dreams are made of. Designed to melt into the skin, the glow drops are ultra hydrating, giving you a luminous finish that feels fresh, never heavy. With a heavenly rose-infused scent, it's available in 5 versatile shades exclusively at Mecca. Use it as a primer, mixed into your foundation, or even on its own for a glow-up in seconds. Get yours now from Mecca.
So, I was sent a product from a brand called ANSWR, ANSWR, an at-home keratin treatment.
Oh!
So this product, it's 100 mils in a spray.
It is new to Australia, by the way.
New-ish. Yeah, fabulous. So new to Australia, kind of like a lot of brands like K18, for example, when that finally came to Australia, Olaplex, when those products hit the market. So this is the ANSWR Keratin Treatment, 100 mils, $82. So essentially what this is a semi-permanent hair treatment for lasting smoothness and shine. It promises to tame frizz, improve manageability, and it says that each application of the product should last you for 3 months.
What?
So you might know people, So, what? So that was exactly what I did, Kelly, when it arrived at my desk. It's uncanny. So basically what this product claims to be is an at-home version of a keratin treatment that you might get in Salon. There is a bit of, got to say, like the difference, there's a few different types of keratin treatments or straightening treatments that people might have heard of, but the point of keratin isn't to actually straighten your hair, it's to improve the frizz and the way that it softens it. So it's actually when you style it is when you'll notice a difference. When you blow dry your hair after washing it, does it actually dry faster? Does it dry smoother? Is it just more manageable? So I did this over the weekend, and I'm going to tell you a bit about how it works, because it is a process. In the same way that anyone that's had a salon keratin treatment knows, you've got to be in the salon for like 2 hours maybe. There's a whole process. It's the same deal at home, but it is far easier, and also doesn't smell like a lot of keratin treatments that I've had done. You know, that real like lash lift kind of smell that comes with these products? This one doesn't have it. It doesn't contain formaldehyde. It's formulated with a soy and wheat derived vegan keratin, whatever that is. So how you use it, you've got to wash your hair with just whatever your usual gear is. Shampoo and conditioner, blow dry your hair. Step 1, you have to start with clean, dry hair. Then you take the keratin treatment, you section your hair and you douse it. So your hair, you need to drench your entire head with this stuff. It just sprays on like any other kind of, I don't know, hair spray kind of product. Then you comb it through. So as you're going, I just sectioned all my hair, I combed it through and just kind of made sure that it was evenly distributed. I would say I have like medium to long length hair, and I probably used 3/4 of the bottle. So if you've got short hair, I reckon you'd get 2 goes out of it. If you've got really thick long hair, you're probably only going to get 1 go. I have long but fine hair. Do that. You let it sit for 40 to 60 minutes. So I just wound it up in a clip, let it sit for 40 to 60 minutes. I did 60 because I just was like, I want it to work better, and that in my mind is telling me it's going to work better. Then you've got to rinse it out in the shower, just water, no other products. Then you've got to blow dry it. So it's all heat activated. So I sectioned my hair and blow dried. I didn't use a brush, but I just used my hands to like create tension as I was blow drying each section. Final step, straighten. I can't even tell you the last time I straightened my whole head of hair, but I did it for this. You've really got to seal it in. So that's
It does look very smooth.
So my hair, I did it on Sunday.
Mm-hmm.
It's been probably 4 days. I haven't washed my hair yet because I've got a dance class coming up.
Ooh.
So I'll do it after that. But immediately I did notice some smoothness, but the real test will be when I wash it after my dance class to be like, has it helped? So far, I'm really hopeful for the results. Even if it could just give me a little bit of frizz help, $80, $82 is a lot cheaper than an in-salon keratin treatment. So I will report back.
Please do. I'm interested to try it too. I just have a quick question. Why, you said that you wash your hair, condition it, get out of the shower, blow dry. Why couldn't I just skip all that and start on this hair?
You've got to do it on dry hair.
Yeah, it is dry.
But it needs to be dry, clean. It needs to be dry, completely clean hair. So to be fair, I washed my hair the night before.
Yep.
And then I woke up the next day and I did it. So you could definitely do that.
Okay, cool.
Or you could just go all in one go. But it just needs to be clean and dry. So no extra oils in the scalp, no product buildup.
Oh, yep. Okay,
et cetera, et cetera.
Yeah, I've got an awful lot of product in my hair. It is time. Amy Clark, I can finally tell you and the Ubies all about the new product that launched a couple of days ago or last week in Australia. This is the Medicate Exo PDRN Prismatic Plus. This is the product that I flew all the way to Paris and London to learn about. However, I had received it to trial, like under embargo, very strict, in January. And it was one of those products that at first I was kind of like just using it every couple of days because I was like, yeah, I'll just use it every couple of days. Like, you know, the launch, I knew that I was going away for the launch, but I was like, the launch is in a couple of months. Won't worry about it. And then I started noticing the days that I didn't use it because my skin was so different. It's one of those products that actually makes a difference. If you use it at night, you notice the next morning. If you use it in the morning, you notice throughout the day that your skin just looks healthier and plumper and glowier. Now, I clickbaited everyone on Monday when we were talking about, remember that very well-timed SOS?
Yes.
So,
and lol that I said, oh, no, I haven't seen many cosmeceutical brands using PDRN.
Exactly. And I was
Joke's
like,
on me.
Well, until now. And it was so cool, Amy. I actually got to go to the lab to learn about how they sort of formulated it. And what happened was 2 years ago when when the salmon sperm facial started trending, the interest in salmon sperm went up on Google by over 1,000%. Like that's how much people were researching into it. So the research and development team at Medicate, all of which I might add are in-house and 90% female. We love women in STEM. Can't say that I'm one of them, but like we can all dream. They were, okay, well, how can we sort of figure out how to get this topically? Because as I was saying to you on Monday, it doesn't absorb topically because the molecules are way too big and it repels because it's like two magnets. So what these clever scientists, oh my goodness, and they were female and they were like so lovely. What they came up with, they developed a new delivery method. You know how we were talking about on Monday, how they needed to come up with a formula? They came up with the delivery method for this new type of PDRN, which is vegan. So the molecules are actually prism shaped so that they can be absorbed by the pores on your skin. So think about a triangle. So I don't know how they do it. I don't know how science works, but they've developed the molecules so that they're prism shaped instead of round and that they can be absorbed by the skin. And the PDRN that they developed has 21 segments, whereas a traditional form of PDRN has up to 2,000 segments. So just imagine how big that molecule is and why your skin can't absorb it versus a little prism that is a fraction of the size being absorbed. I just think that the science behind it is amazing and just so cool. So it's $160, one of those real powerhouse serums that does everything because it's regenerative, it's good for recovery, and it really restores and recharges your skin. And as I said at the start, when I started using it every morning and night versus when I was just kind of using it sometimes, I really did notice a difference. And yeah, it's like my little love, and I feel like a little kinship, and finally I get to share the joy of Prismatic Plus with everyone because it's finally out.